You find your first one for me.
Here's the first one.
Okay, and what did they compare in this one?
Himself and the dog.
Okay, and how did he compare him?
He doesn't just have the brains, he makes it up in speed.
Okay, very good. So there's a comparison between the dog and himself. Okay, and that's the simile. And they used what word to compare them?
Like.
Okay, good. Okay, what's our next one?
And just like that, poof.
Okay, so there was comparing what?
Weekend and time.
Okay, and the time he expressed it as?
Poof.
Poof. And we can imagine this like, that's a word that they use for what? Can you think of when they use the word poof? Yes. So we think of the time as?
Gone.
Yeah, just vanishing. Gone. Excellent.
Basically, it was like getting all the usual homework plus 3 extra periods a week for thinking about homework, talking about homework, and writing about homework.
Okay, so they're comparing two things. What are they comparing?
Thinking homework and thinking.
Okay, they're comparing homework and thinking. Okay, and they used what word to compare them?
Like.
Once again, they used the word like. Okay. And what is this one?
It was like spending 4th period in a zoo, if you ask me.
Okay, so he's comparing what two things?
4th period and a zoo.
Okay, so he's comparing the time that he spends with the teacher with being in a zoo. You can imagine what a zoo would be like. So how do you think that 4th period is?
Crazy, insane.
Yeah. So you can see the comparisons. Okay, so we've done some comparisons.